Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Count Kiefer. So, we're heading to the refrigerator, so we're right there now. So let's go! So they have a bar special there. I'm not lying, they do. I love when Cletus's cars a lot, and they have a big shout out to his friends. And if you like this video, if you subscribe, comment, everything, and press the notification bell, if you did, you get Motion Raceworks hat.
Uh-oh, you're giving Raceworks hats now. Motion Raceworks hats.
No, like we're doing it for Cletus.
Oh, have you talked to Cletus about that?
Well, we're going to, but it's a contest. And if you do that and comment done, and Cletus will give, and I'll give you $10 million.
Alright, so you know that we aren't going to give away $10 million.
That is a contest.
I know, but we're not doing that, son. So
Are you sure?
I'm positive. So we can't really make that contest, because if we put a contest out there that you say we got to give away $10 million, where are we going to get $10 million?
You know, our accounts.
We don't have $10 million.
You do.
I certainly don't.
Yes, you do.
I don't.
Remember, you always did for 16 years.
I wish, buddy, but I don't.
Okay, he's just joking, but we do. But I have $10 million in my wallet. We are now we're having a real special. We have hot dog and the burger. And also, I let you to buy merch from Cletus. So, we're going ahead and eat right now. So, I hope you love this video. Like, subscribe, and I will be a part of looking nice. So, see you in the next vlog.